Hey folks, sorry about that. I was trying to figure out that stock that was doing so well in our small gold program. And anyway, is Ken Ross. Ken Ross. Okay. Can everybody hear me okay? Testing one, two, three. Can everybody hear me okay? Yeah, Ken Ross. Jonathan, what is that? KGC or something like that? What's the symbol for that small gold one?
That's right, KGC.
KGC. Where is it currently trading?
Well, I got it trading at $10.58 or so.
Yeah. Yeah. If you got it, you might want to add to it. I was trying to add to it in my IRA, and I forgot my account number. I was trying to find it, but anyway, no big deal. Uh, Folks, we had a heck of a week. It's getting better and better. I taught a class at the first of the week, and this class was exceptional in the sense that we were able to trade and do some option trading and all that. But we got to introduce uh, our Genesis feature in the roadmap. And I'm telling you, I don't know how anybody can trade without it. It keeps me so busy. It's unbelievable, but we're already benefiting from that. Anybody enjoying what I call the income mecca inside of TNT? Anybody enjoying that right now? We'll look at it, but man, oh man, I mean, we're gonna grind that sucker out Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. It was great. Very simple, very straightforward. And can y'all respond to what I just said about the income mecca inside of TNT? Anybody want to respond to that? Yeah, well, I know you have it, Bruce. Don't you think you ought to have something nice to say? Somebody made you 50%? I'm just saying. That's a Jonathan Rowe problem, Carol. I was talking to Kerry. He was at the class today. He had a real good week, putting some points on the board. And anyway, pretty good stuff. Yeah, I'm just sharing what I'm doing. I mean, you can go look at it yourself on KGC. I think it's a good one, and I think it's one that you might park away. Well, let me get started, and we'll get through this. We'll go live. That sound like a fun deal to do? Go live with everybody. Let's do it. Okay, risk involved in trading. Do your due diligence. Past performance is not indicative of future results. In my opinion, if you will listen, folks, I have paid your dues over the years learning how to do this. If you will listen, I will show you how to play this game at a top level. In fact, I listened when I talked to the people in the class because they wanted income. Everybody to a man and woman wanted to make more income. I said, well, I'll design something for you. We did it Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Now, unless I get a lot of feedback about this, I don't need any extra work. So you got to, shout from the highest tree. That's what turns me on when I hear all those happy remarks and get love letters from you and all that. It motivates me. Are you turning the slides, Jonathan, or am I? All right. We had such a good time. We got class schedules. Let me take you through this. October 21st and 22nd, that's Monday and Tuesday. an intermediate class. How you like where we had it at? Anybody here that attended that class, intermediate class, or the futures class we did? It was so good, so good. We did a foundations class on December 2nd and 3rd. We got one coming. January 6th and 7th, I added a futures class. 100% of the people in this class signed up. I've got 2 spots left. Contact Barbara at DTI Trader if you're interested. Foundations class, February 2nd and 3rd. Futures class, March 5th and 6th. An advanced class, the 23rd and 24th. I only take about 7 to 10 people, depending. Sawgrass Conference, here we'll take 50, June 25. We're having it at TPC this year. October 6th and 7th, another futures class, and then 13th and 14th, we're having an advanced class in 2025. Take a spot, reserve your position. I think if you spend that face-to-face time with me in those small classes, you'll be very pleased. Just put it that way. You'll be very pleased. Okay? Now, the new addition to T-Buzz Talk and Trade. Our strategy is find trades. I made it simple. I tell people, you tell time, I'll show you how to make money. But from 9:30 to 10:30, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, I'll look for a trade. This last one I did on Thursday, I was so busy, Jonathan said, hey, you said you'd given a trade. Boy, did I give it a good one. My goal is you start out small, take $1,000 and work it each day. You know, they're not day trades. You hold it for a day and then you get out. That's a beautiful thing about it. But great trades. I loved it. Pretty exciting, I can tell you that. Pretty exciting. Now, this was a QQQ trade I did where I sold it for 22 cents, bought it back for 9 cents. 17%, that's an extra trade beyond income there. Here's a bonus income trade I did on gold, 16%. Doesn't look like a lot of money when you only put up $1,000, but you can put up 3,000 or 4,000, it starts adding up. This adds up too. Now, this is Wednesday's income trade we did. We made 7% on that one. That's $70. All right, let's go. That was GLD, another 8% there. About 1 day hold, okay? This week's income trade, if you had 1,000 each day, got out of it the next day and put it back to work, you made 50% on that 1,000. Anybody like that return? Tell me. Anybody like to make 50% Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday that way? Not overstretching you, but showing you how this game is played. That's what we do. Now, let me take you through. Hey, Rob, Rob was at that class. He's coming back. Pretty good stuff. If you do the math, we're going to grind our way to, my goal is for you, minimum, you make about 50,000 with me in this thing, okay? Just doing those 3 trades, not counting all the others. How many people think they could show up at 9:30, 10 and get the trade? I'm just curious. Dan said he did better than that. I know I'm always conservative about what I say. Let's look at a typical morning, though, the other value you get. I start out every morning after RB2 and I post my thoughts for the day. Here it is. First, I give you a big sister's view and look for opportunity. As you can see this morning, that's the layout. That was the market coming into the day. It's very positive. Then I post where the real money is. I call it the Magic 5, okay? What was the first stock I did today? Can y'all read that? The first stock? Apple, up $3. Nvidia didn't hit today. Berkshire, my pivot number there, I put a pivot number for you. I can't see Berkshire, what it's done, if it hit or not, but I try to give you 5 opportunities. It didn't hit, okay? Gold did, didn't it? GLD hit today. Jonathan, where's gold right now? I'm blocking all my quotes. It's hard for me to do that.
GLD is 251.20.
Hold the horses. 2 out of the Magic 5 paid you. And I got a little script you can use if you want to use options. All right, what else did I say? S&P, if you trade futures, 5,900. Where are we trading, Jonathan? 5,906. Think we've been up, though, today to about 59.12, 13. One E-mini would have paid you $600. Now, I'm going to stop for a second. I want you to digest that, okay? Digest what I just said. Pretty cool, isn't it? I think it's real cool. That daily pivot I post is golden. You got it ahead of everybody else. You're always ahead. I post it. I post that where you can use it to take advantage of it, okay? Early in the morning. Do you like that new feature I added where I'm giving you the pivot numbers for the Magic 5? Is that helping people? The beautiful thing about TNT, I love it. I can reach out to you. I'm always educating on ways the market gives you opportunity each day. Doesn't take long once you go through the training period, which takes about an hour. Okay. And by the way, Jonathan, remind me to update the training master class for TNT that we made all these changes. Okay. I'll do that next week.
Will do.
Waiting on you. Now, here's something. Does everybody know I'm educating people to futures? Now, how much is you think that one was worth? If you bought one contract, you got in at 10, and 10 cents, I tell you, I do some education, what 10 cents is worth, about $500. You made $250 off one contract with that trade there. I'm gonna do more of those, okay? I'm gonna do more of those, okay? Because I think this will really help you as you get stronger, stronger, and stronger. Y'all agree? Learning? And John, remind me to do for my futures people next week, do some education on the silver options. Very lucrative. Very lucrative. Okay. So what is TNT? T-Buzz Talk and Trade is a Telegram channel that I'm live in every day. I'll look at the market, the pre-market, the cash market, and at night after 8, I'll look at the market. Okay. We got an easy trade ticket that I developed. Okay. And all this stuff. Look at that, 14, 29, 19. That's all in October, folks. So you basically invest $200, you pull back about 2 or 3,000 if you're a small player. I think that's a good deal for all the small players. All right. The option blueprint. Jonathan, did any of the option blueprint hit this month?
I think Berkshire might have.
Yeah, Berkshire did hit. I was just checking you out, making sure you're paying attention. You can't be asleep at the wheel with me. Berkshire did hit. This is a great program. It goes out 2 weeks, a month for people that like to travel. This is the travel approach. All right. Here's the 5 magic tickers again. I pick it out early in the morning where I see money flow going to give you a heads up. That's valuable. If I have big news, I'll come in there and we'll have a big news period. Sometimes we go live into a webinar even. And I'm always giving you insights to make you a better trader. There's so many that we don't have a list, but we do that. Okay. So I tell everybody, get a notebook because it comes to me when I see the market and I like to share them with people. Do you have to be there every day? Not the way this thing pays. Once a week, or if you like income, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday for 30 minutes. Anybody do that schedule? I got a whole course designed to teach you the way I trade options. You get that no charge for being a member of TNT. If you work, there's no better program if you work because you can come in the evening, pick up some of the early stuff, do a long term. Pretty valuable, I think. Okay. Now you can't procrastinate. How many people are guilty of procrastination had joined TNT? You're losing money because you're not in there. You can't procrastinate if you're going to make money as a trader. You got to see something and seize it. Okay. I'm a pretty good live trader. I love teaching and I love trading. So that's what we do. Every opportunity is there. You got your own private entrance to the Telegram channel. I can deliver it before or after the market. Do not need any help doing that. And I do it all the time because, folks, I'm a trader. I look inside these markets and find opportunities for you and me. It's not a one-way street. I put a stop here because I do get up pretty early. Maybe you want to mute your sound if you sleep in a little bit because I'm up early. The Telegram channel, if you're already there, it's very simple. Just you'll get a link to ours and access. That's it. Any questions about how to be part of it? Now, here's the deal that I put together today for you. Who's going to be next? All this stuff is included. By the way, I'm going to start including sometime in the future. Anybody interested in knowing when to use Coinbase to get in Bitcoin? I might start including that in TNT. I'm trading that through Coinbase, the cash Bitcoin. Anybody interested in that? Okay, well, I'll start maybe adding that next month. There's the option blueprint. My goal is to teach and make this the most profitable education you ever get day by day. Little bites. My secondary goal is let the uneducated out there that don't know what I know give you a scholarship. And that's what Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday is about, to put you in the position where you got a scholarship. Our membership has grown. It allows me to open up 5 lifetime spots today. If you want it, you can take a lifetime. I'd take it because I got to raise the price, I think. I'm going to have to do it. It's just too much work. Now, here's the deal for anybody who wants to try me out. If you're not satisfied after 30 days, let us know and we'll give you back your $200 that you gave me and you keep all the profits you made. I can't beat that deal. Go to dtitrader.com/TNT, get your spot, call 904-416-1776. Jonathan, is any of my salespeople here?
We have Kelly and Jeffrey are both here today.
All right, I'll give both their emails. I'm going to ask that question. Send an email to Barber at DTI Trader or Andrak at DTI Trader. They'll get you set up if you want the VIP. You know, there comes a time in life you got to make a decision. Incredible information. I'm very clear. It's very simple. I work with you. I train. I get you in shape that you can take advantage of this. So all I need you to do is take that step and join. Go to dtitrader.com/TNT. Jonathan, post my email in there. If anytime they see something posted in TNT, they need clarification. Post that email I use. I look at it on the weekend. That's the only downside. All right, put a 10-minute clock up there. When we come back, we'll go live. That sound like fun? Let's do that when we go live. Take this 10 minutes, get joined. I'll recognize you when I come back. Hey, folks, Adam just had an idea. This is a one-time deal, one time. If you talk to Kelly, talk to Jeffrey, they will let you apply what you paid so far to take the lifetime. But I'm only going to take 5 total spots. So if you act, you got to apply today only. Everybody understand? So if you've been here 4 or 5 months, I'll take it off the price, but only today. Only a total of 5 people will qualify for that. Everybody got it? Let's contact Barbara at DTI Trader and Andraka to get that deal. All right, folks. We got one of them gone so far, four left. Henry took one. Understand, this is a one-time deal today. They're going to credit you and they got to work. You got to talk to them. So call that number if you want one of the VIPs, 904-416-1776. The deal is if you've been a member for 6 months, paying $200, we take $1,200 off the lifetime. That's the deal. Nine zero 416 1776. You got to call in and talk. If you want one of these VIPs, post your email and phone number because I'm stopping it at 5. We got 4 left. $4,400, Brandon. $4,400 is the VIP. Jonathan, give it another 5 minutes if you don't mind, because we're getting a rush of people very interested trying to get those. John says he wants one. John, put your email and phone. That gives us 3. 3 are left. Rochelle wants one. 2 left. There are only 2. You got to put your email in here if you want one of those 5. One left. Barry took the last one. There's one left. One left. Hey, Patty, I tried to call LPL. Jonathan, bring up the roadmap. Let's wrap it up.
Okay.
Smart moves, folks. That was Adam's idea. I said, why not on a Friday afternoon? Let's do something. We had such a great week. All right, Jonathan, bring up, let's go through the seven sisters.
Here's the S&P 5902.
All right, 5,900 is the pivot. Where we opened this last reference bar.
5905.
So we're sort of hung between 5,900, my pivot number, and 5,905.
That's the S&P. The NASDAQ is at 20,475.
Folks, market after Monday is going to go screaming higher, I believe. Be there Sunday night, and I'll give you my plan. I want to see everybody take advantage of this October move I'm calling, okay? All right. NASDAQ.
You got the Dow at 43,512.
The NASDAQ is going to heat up after Monday, I believe. We'll see if I'm right. Skip the Dow, go to crude. Better yet, instead of going to crude, go to XLE and put a daily up there.
All right, that's a daily chart of XLE.
Where'd XLE open the month at?
Month opens 8701.
Where's it currently trading?
90.33.
All right. Write this number down. Breaks 87. This is going to be a short that we can trade with puts or something like that. Write that down. Okay. All right, gold.
Gold futures 2734.
Folks, this is very bullish. It closed up here. Monday's going to be a key date. Stay tuned.
And silver.
Silver is going a lot higher. $50 is my target. That's why I'm going to teach in my futures training next week how to take advantage of that. Y'all excited about that? All my future people on Wednesday? Put it on Wednesday, Jonathan, 10 o'clock. 10:30.
10:30 Wednesday. Got it. And then bonds.
Yeah, Laura, it'll move up too. XLK will move up. What's up there? What do you got in there now?
Bonds.
All right. We got a Fed meeting, Jonathan. When's the Fed meeting?
Our next Fed meeting is in
October 31st
I'll tell you in just a second.
or November 7th? I can't remember.
November 6th and 7th.
Yeah, it's 7th, November 6th and 7th. Write that date down. I will be live in YouTube for that Fed meeting. If you want to get signed up for my YouTube and get a notification, everybody be invited, no charge. Okay? No charge. You might post a YouTube in there where they can see it. Okay, what's next? Put the QQQ in there. Draw a line at 494, 494 on QQQ. There's your pivot number for the Q. I'll update that next week. Okay. Now, last one I'm going to talk about is IWM. The small stocks are going to go a lot higher. Might be a better play for some of our days. IWM. John, if you got anything you want to add?
Well, we got to take a look at NVIDIA. I haven't looked at that yet today. It made a new high this week up to 140, almost 141.
140.55 will play NVIDIA. Put DJT, the last thing we're going to talk about. Above 35, we go up to a new level. This is strictly a play on the election, folks. Strictly a play on the election. Tuesday and connect the dots. I have another play, another big whopper play for people if you're interested. We'll do that Tuesday. Remind me, John, if I said that.
Okay, that's Tuesday. T-Buzz, connect the dots.
Well, folks, that's all I got. Hope you can attend Sunday night. And what a week, huh? Thanks, Jonathan.
Thank you. Great week.
All my VIPs and everybody else that wanted to get in $200 no risk, try it. You won't regret it. Not if you like making money. Great week. Super week. Carol, I'm trying to work in. I've got somebody committed for what you asked for. I'm going to try to figure it out. These spots are getting rarer and rarer, these one-on-ones. All right. Thank you, Jonathan. Have a good weekend, Jonathan.
You too.
SI. SI.